Wanted to find out from you if there has been any update in the search for Mr. Mehul Choksi.
No, sir. He still haven't found him as yet, sir.
And any leads available on your end, because we are hearing there are some reports that he may have fled to Cuba.
No, sir. No. Well, no, sir. I don't think we don't have that. No leads to yet as to where he may be, as to where he may have gone.
And officer, is this the location where you found his car? Was it close to any port or any location from where he could have perhaps been?
I'm not too sure, sir, where they found it. If it was close to any boat or anything like that, because I wasn't there.
Right.
It was in the same Jolly Harbor area, but I can't tell you if it was close to any port or anything like that because I wasn't there.
Okay, so it was close to a harbor area.
Yeah, but it was close into the area where he lived, the same Jolly Harbor area. It was
right.
In that area they found the vehicle, but I don't know if it was close to any boat or anything like that.
So this was close to his residence, officer? Close to the area where he was living?
No, it's a little bit. It's in the same Jolly Harbor area.
Yeah.
But not close, but not close to where he was living, in a
right.
different area. Because it's a big place, so it was
yes.
in a different area from where he was living. But
officer,
it's the same compound,
yeah.
Jolly Harbor
yeah.
compound.
Jolly Harbor compound. Officer, if people, if I'm just asking as a journalist, if people were to travel from Antigua to Cuba, what would be the different routes that they would, modes of transport that is available to them?
Well, you can go different areas. If you're using the boat, you can go different. Well, by boat, you can go a lot of different areas.
Right. There is a report that one of his close aides by the name of Govin has said that he's gone to Cuba. So I wanted to check with your officials whether anybody by that name or any family members have been questioned so far.
Well, I think so. Yes, sir. We have spoke to his wife and the person that we spoke to his wife, but they haven't. She don't know where he is or whatever. So I'm not too.
Okay.
So we haven't have any leads as to where he is or may have gone or whatever.
Yeah. But did they file a complaint? Did the wife file a complaint?
Yes, she did. She did call and make her.
Okay.
We also have Niranjan joining us from the Mumbai newsroom now. Niranjan, so that's what the police officer had to say about how his car was spotted, how his family, in fact, also lodged a complaint. You also earlier spoke to Vijay Agarwal, who's Mehul Choksi's lawyer. What do you make of, where this is headed?
Well, it's very, very interesting and also intriguing. Intriguing because we know that he's cornered. Let's look at the overall scheme of things. Look at the larger picture, Kritsween. The larger picture is that Vijay Mallya's cornered, will be extradited. Nirav Modi, who is Mehul Choksi's partner in crime, cornered, will be extradited. And India was very, very close, inching closer to the extradition of Mehul Choksi. And just when we were close to his extradition, he goes missing. Right. Now, let's look at the facts at hand, what we know so far. On record, we tried to reach out to the government of Antigua. We contacted the Antiguan Prime Minister as well. The Antiguan Prime Minister puts the facts on record. In fact, when we texted him and we called him, the Antiguan Prime Minister, Gaston Brown, told Republic TV, he shared what is already out there in the public domain. He spoke to us and he shared the details that are available in the public domain, only the facts on record. He did not go beyond that, so we are waiting for a more detailed conversation with him. As far as the foreign minister of Antigua is concerned, we'll bring out the details of what he has said. But let's look at the investigation and what the police is saying. The police is saying, sorry for that. Police is saying that he left his house, and was last seen at around 5:15 p.m. on Sunday. 5:15 p.m. Sunday, Antigua time. And then he was found in the Jolly Harbor area, which they say is the same area where he was also residing. So he was living in Jolly Harbor area and his car was found in Jolly Harbor area, but at a distance. The car was found He was spotted. There are eyewitnesses. There is CCTV footage. So they're corroborating everything. But what we don't know is where he went after that. Now, they say it's still a matter of investigation. They are looking for him. They don't know whether he's still on the island. They don't know whether he has fled the island. They don't know whether he's gone to Cuba. But they say that the complaint came from the wife. They say that the wife filed a complaint. Her statement has been recorded. They said one more person's statement has been recorded. Unsure at this moment whether it was a family member or an aide perhaps who's been quoted in the different media houses in Antigua and Barbuda and the Caribbean media. Now, what we can tell you is that Mehul Choksi is missing. Mehul Choksi is missing. His family has filed a missing complaint. The government of Antigua says investigation continues. Police says investigation continues. Police does not know whether he's fled to Cuba. There are media reports suggesting that he may have fled to Cuba. Some media reports going to the extent of saying that he's at a safe house in Cuba. Now, these are just reports that we are going by. Let's wait, because we're still in contact. We're in touch with government, the different ministries in Antigua, including the Foreign Ministry and the Prime Minister himself. We're trying to see if we can get someone on record. We have the Foreign Minister and the Prime Minister on record, but they're not going beyond what we know already. So we'll come back with more details, Krithwin, as and when we are able to get that.